That's it for today, and remember, trust us with your weather. We mourn the loss of one of our own, but our commitment to the truth is as strong as ever. Remember, trust us with your news. Thank you to my producers for giving me this chance. I know I have some mighty big shoes to fill, but I promise you can trust me with your entertainment. They're calling me a god, Bob! You gotta strike while the iron's hot! Leave the channel to me. I'll bring in more new blood than you'll know what to do with. Come on! Trust me with your network. Studios want to feed you the same old crap everyone's seen before. You want newer, you want bigger, you want brighter! I will be your voice, and we will redefine what it means to rule the airwaves. Trust me, and your future will be brighter! Now, who's ready to be baptized into a new era of entertainment?